What's up everyone, this is the GSM solution and in this video I am going to show you how you can
Hello, thanks for charging me.
change charging sound or custom iPhone charger sound on your own iPhone. When you put the charger, Siri say that text whatever you want and also able to play song.
Hello, thanks for charging me.
So let's get started with the video. So that is super cool tricks. Shortcuts is the free app you can download from App Store. Open Shortcut app. Tap on automation. You got two options. Tap on create personal automation and scroll down. Tap on charger. Click on next. Tap on add action. Here you are making the sound on while insert charger. Very first you have to search volume level, set volume level and make it as loud as possible. Then search for speak text. Here you can add text which makes sound every time you connect the charger. You can edit rate pitch from here. You have to make it suitable you want. You can also choose language. You can also choose voice on different Siri voices that is different on languages.
Thanks for charging me.
Thanks for charging me. Thanks for charging me. Thanks for charging me.
Make sure that Ask before running is turned up. Make sure that Ask before running is turned up. Tap on Don't ask. Tap on Done. Now, while insert the charger, that makes sound. That is really awesome features.
Thanks for charging me. Thanks for charging me.
Ask before running is turned off, but you still got a notification.
Thanks for charging me.
Every time pop-up while insert charger. While shortcut is running any automation app. In this part, I am going to show you how you can remove completely all notifications, so you never have to see that pop-up notification on your iPhone. Go to Settings. Go to Screen Time. See all activity. Scroll down to last. Here you can see shortcut with adjustable bar, but that cannot be tappable. Scroll to up, tap on Day View and tap on Week View. Scroll back down, the option is now functional. Open it. From here, you can turn off all notifications. But the shortcut app
Thanks for charging me.
makes pop-ups on screen.
Thanks for charging me.
These are the above all the process that you can change charging sound or custom iPhone charger sound on your iPhone. If that stuff is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Press bell so you never miss an important update on future. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.